Welcome to the Pivot Online channel, your one-stop destination for innovative ways to transform your digital presence and financial future. In today's video, we're unveiling 9 game-changing ChatGPT hacks that have the potential to supercharge your online earnings in 2023. Are you ready to discover the secrets to making money effortlessly in the digital age? Stay tuned as we unveil these incredible strategies and show you how to leverage the power of ChatGPT for your financial advantage. Let's dive right in. What is ChatGPT? The digital age has come, and a digital friend has risen. Meet ChatGPT, a friend from the future that can receive commands and then print out money. ChatGPT is an AI that is very conversational. This means that you can talk to ChatGPT like you would talk to a normal person. The magical part? Well, it can also speak like an expert in anything: marketing, ghostwriting, and even translating services. Just name it, and ChatGPT can be your service-providing, money-making, and life-changing friend. Affiliate marketing with AI content. In 2023, one of the simplest ways to make extra money online is through affiliate marketing, supercharged with AI-generated content. Here's how it works. You create a website where you recommend products, and you get a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. To make things even easier, you can use ChatGPT to write persuasive product descriptions for you. The best part is that you don't need to put in a ton of effort to see results. With the right niche and effective marketing techniques, you can earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s each month. It's a clever and hassle-free way to take advantage of the power of AI to boost your income. Faceless YouTube channels. In the world of easy online side gigs, anonymous YouTube channels are becoming super popular. Just ask our dear friend ChatGPT right here how to make great content, and he can guide you in making it. You can even ask ChatGPT to decide what exactly your content is. Some people have even made more than $10,000 with these smart tactics. You can tap into the power of staying anonymous and using AI to boost your online income in 2023. It's a clever way to benefit from the YouTube trend while keeping your privacy intact. Email writing services. When it comes to easy online side jobs, offering email writing services stands out. You can use your writing skills. Oops! Let's rewind. You can use the writing skills of ChatGPT to create great emails for both businesses and individuals. The earning potential is significant, with clients willing to pay $1,000 or even more each month for your daily emails. There's a steady demand for well-written emails, whether it's for maintaining client relationships or marketing products. So if you're good with words, you can turn that skill into a profitable venture. Jump into this side hustle and you'll see your income rise. It's a great way to make money online. Twitter account management. Boost your online side hustle game with Twitter account management. It's remarkably easy. You oversee Twitter profiles focused on specific topics and tap into Twitter's revenue sharing program. Just tell ChatGPT to give you 100 tweets about your chosen topic. Tweet one every now and then boom, gain easy money as you gain that effortless traction. Your earnings can vary from a nice $100 to an impressive $110,000 per month, depending on how big and influential your Twitter account is. And guess what? Affiliate marketing can come in handy here too. As the social media platform keeps evolving, there are more and more chances to make money from your online presence. Whether you love fitness, self-improvement, finance, or any other interest, there's a niche just waiting for you. So get started and ride the wave of Twitter's revenue sharing program to achieve some serious financial gains. It's a fantastic way to make money online. Translation services. Discover a world of opportunities through translation services, a simple online side job. Dive into translating content like YouTube scripts or blog articles for interested clients. The potential earnings vary, but most translators make about $40 to $50 for every 10-minute video they translate. There's always a need for good translations in the digital world, so this is a great way to boost your income. Embrace this flexible job where you can use ChatGPT to make your translation work smoother. Whether it's video scripts or written content, your language skills can help you earn a good income online. Transform your talent for languages into a rewarding online money-making venture. But wait, seems like you're enjoying this video. Well, Pivot Online wants to hear from you. What do you think of this method that we found just for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and with your feedback, we can pivot the online world for money more effectively. Because here in Pivot Online, it's all about making money. Resume writing services. Start a rewarding side hustle by offering resume writing services, an easy way to make money online. Create impressive resumes for clients and earn approximately $200 for each one. If you serve multiple clients daily, you could make hundreds of dollars each day. As job seekers are always looking for ways to stand out, your skill in crafting resumes can be incredibly valuable. You can use ChatGPT to make the process smoother, ensuring your clients get high-quality resumes that boost their chances of landing their dream jobs. You'll make a meaningful impact on people's careers and enjoy the financial rewards of this straightforward online venture. Product description writing. Dive into the world of easy online earnings by writing product descriptions. Guess who will write it? That's right. It's our dear friend ChatGPT once again. Create interesting and informative descriptions for e-commerce platforms and earn a decent amount, usually between $5 to $15 per description. The digital marketplace always needs compelling product content, making writing skills valuable to businesses looking to showcase their products effectively. Whether it's for Amazon listings or Shopify descriptions, your words can lead to financial success. Get ready to transform your way with words into a profitable online venture. Creating digital products. Unleash your potential by making and selling digital material, like online courses, ebooks, or guides, on websites such as Gumroad or ClickBank. How much you earn depends on how many people like your stuff and how much you charge for it, so you could make a lot of money. In today's digital world, what you know can turn into financial success, or more specifically, what ChatGPT knows. Whether you want to share knowledge or skills, your digital stuff can reach people all over the world. This side job is easy to get into and can make you a nice amount of money. So dive into the world of digital business where your creations can lead to some big financial rewards. Prompt expert or prompt engineer. Become a pro at creating prompts for AI tools like ChatGPT and enter the world of being a prompt expert or prompt engineer. Your skill in making clear instructions can be super useful for businesses that use AI to create content. You can sell ready-made prompt templates or offer custom services, and your potential earnings can range from extra money to a full-time career. As companies rely more on AI, your prompt expertise will be in high demand. Take on this side gig using ChatGPT's abilities to refine your skills. Step into a future where your talent for guiding AI becomes both impactful and profitable, making you a crucial part of the digital world. The Pivot Online Verdict. In this journey to make money using ChatGPT, it's crucial to understand that the numbers we've talked about are just estimates. Your real earnings can be more or less depending on what you do, how you do it, and the quality of your work. Creating a solid income online isn't something that happens quickly. It takes time, effort, and regular work. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but these strategies can help you earn money if you stick with them. So, go ahead and explore these methods, use ChatGPT to your advantage, and remember that your financial future depends on your dedication. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.